This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the project and credentials so your work runs smoothly. First, enable the Vertex AI API and ensure billing is active. This unlocks resources. Next, create or pick a GCP project and provision a service account with Vertex AI and storage roles. This gives secure access. Then install the Google Cloud SDK, run gcloud auth login, and set the project with gcloud config set project ID. Once done, you're ready to ingest data. Now you'll prepare data and launch training, focusing on reproducibility and cost. Upload your labeled dataset to cloud storage in CSV or TF record, then create a dataset resource in Vertex AI. This provides schema validation. Choose AutoML for convenience or provide a custom container for advanced models and start a training job with a clear training pipeline. Make sure to configure compute, pick machine type, attach GPUs or TPUs if needed, and set the region to minimize. Finally, deploy the trained model to an endpoint and validate predictions. Deploying makes it reachable via REST or gRPC. Configure autoscaling with sensible min and max replicas to control cost and enable request logging and cloud monitoring to track latency and accuracy. Once live, test with sample requests and iterate. If something breaks, inspect IAM permissions first, then container logs and quota limits. Also confirm region consistency and correct data format. That last check fixes most deployment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.